Okay guys, welcome back to me again, and then now I would like to read article, but before that don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The title is Global Stocks Steady US Treasury Yields Rise as Recession Worries Persist. By Chibuiki Ogu, New York readers, global equity markets were flat as while US Treasury yields rose on Tuesday. As recession worries persisted amid concern the Federal Reserve will continue its step interest rate hikes despite nascent signs of a slowdown in inflation. The yield curve between 2 and 10-year Treasury notes viewed as an indicator of impending recession remained inverted at minus 40 basis points on Tuesday. It seems that the bond market doesn't quite reflect the inflation happening in the economy, said George Young, a portfolio manager at Filler and Company in New Orleans. The weird thing is that in the last couple of weeks bond yields have gone up and stayed up, so there's kind of a disconnect. There's kind of a question, maybe inflation isn't that bad and we might actually be going into recession. Market participants are all over the place, he added. MSCI's jug of stock in 50 countries across the globe was up 0.05% overnight in Asia. MSCI's broadest index of Asia Pacific shares outside Japan closed 0.07% lower, while Japan's Nikkei lost 0.01%. US Treasury yields edged higher as encouraging data from US retail giants suggested the Fed has room to further raise rates to cool inflation. Benchmark 10-year Treasury yields were at 2.800. Benchmark 10-year Treasury yields were at 2.8077% from 2.791% on Monday. On Wall Street, the benchmark S&P 500 and the Dow reversed earlier loss and closed higher, with stocks in consumer discretionary, consumer staples, financials, and industrials leading the rebound. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.71% to 34,152.01 point. The S&P 500 gained 0.19% to 4,305.2, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 0.19% to 13,102.55 point. Oil price dropped nearly 3% in volatile trading as recession worries rise uncertainty over global crude demand, even as markets awaited clarity on talks to revive a deal that could allow more Iranian oil exports. Brent crude futures fell 2.9% to settle at $92.84 a barrel, after hitting a session high of $95.95, with Texas Intermediate crude decreased 3.2%, settling at $86.53 a barrel after rising to $90.65. The dollar was flat, pulling back from earlier gains amid expectations the US economy would be stronger than fears in the event of a slowdown in growth. The dollar index was down 0.009%, with the euro up 0.1% to $1,000.017. Safe haven gold fell for a second strike season on Tuesday, as an initially firmer dollar made the greenback-denominated metal more expensive. Spot gold dropped 0.2% to $1,774.91 an ounce, while US gold futures fell 0.36% to $1,000,000 774.90 an ounce. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching me, and then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.